Plant FAQs. Nicotiana benthamiana. Nicotiana benthamiana, often just referred to as Nicotiana, is a fascinating plant that belongs to the Solanaceae family. This species is native to Australia and is renowned for its potential in scientific research. It's particularly valued in the field of plant genetics and biotechnology due to its susceptibility to various pathogens and its ability to express foreign genes. How to pronounce Nicotiana benthamiana. If you're unsure about how to pronounce Nicotiana benthamiana, you're not alone. The correct pronunciation is Nicotiana benthamiana. Breaking it down into syllables can make it easier. Nicotiana, Nicotiana, and Benthamiana, Benthamiana. How to grow Nicotiana benthamiana. Growing Nicotiana benthamiana can be quite rewarding, especially if you're interested in plant research or just enjoy unique plants. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Climate and location. Nicotiana benthamiana thrives in a temperate climate but can also adapt to various conditions. It prefers full sun to partial shade. Soil requirements. This plant favors well-draining soil. A mix of potting soil with perlite or sand works well. Planting. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date. Sow the seeds on the surface of the soil, as they need light to germinate. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Transplanting. Once seedlings have grown large enough and the danger of frost has passed, transplant them into the garden or larger pots. Maintenance. Regularly water the plants to keep the soil evenly moist. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. How often to water Nicotiana benthamiana? Watering Nicotiana benthamiana requires a bit of attention. Typically, you should water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Depending on your climate and soil conditions, this could mean watering once a week or more frequently during hot, dry periods. Be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. How to open Nicotiana benthamiana stomata. Opening the stomata of Nicotiana benthamiana isn't something you usually need to worry about directly. However, if you're conducting experiments or studies, you can influence stomatal opening by adjusting environmental conditions. Increasing light intensity, temperature, or using certain chemicals can affect stomatal function. How to propagate Nicotiana benthamiana. Propagating Nicotiana benthamiana can be done through seeds or cuttings. Seeds. Start seeds indoors or in a greenhouse. Sow them on the surface of the soil and keep them moist until they germinate. Cuttings. Take semi-hardwood cuttings from a healthy plant. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone and plant them in a well-draining medium. Keep the cuttings in a humid environment until they develop roots. How to care for Nicotiana benthamiana. Proper care ensures that Nicotiana benthamiana remains healthy and vibrant. Here are some tips. Light. Ensure the plant receives adequate sunlight. A sunny spot or bright indoor light is ideal. Watering. Maintain consistent moisture but avoid waterlogging. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. Fertilization. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant and treat any issues promptly. Can you grow Nicotiana benthamiana indoors? Yes, Nicotiana benthamiana can be grown indoors. It needs bright light, so a sunny window or grow light will help it thrive indoors. Ensure adequate humidity and proper soil conditions for the best results. Is Nicotiana benthamiana toxic? Nicotiana benthamiana is not known to be highly toxic to humans or pets. However, like many plants in the Solanaceae family, it contains alkaloids that could cause mild irritation if ingested. It's best to keep it out of reach of small children and pets. Benefits of Nicotiana benthamiana. The benefits of Nicotiana benthamiana extend beyond just its beauty. It is a valuable tool in plant research, particularly in genetic studies and biotechnology. Its ability to express foreign genes makes it a model organism in scientific experiments. Common problems with Nicotiana benthamiana. Some common issues with Nicotiana benthamiana include pest infestations. Aphids and spider mites can be problematic. Regular inspections and treatments can help manage these pests. Disease. Be wary of fungal and bacterial infections. Proper watering and good air circulation can reduce the risk of disease. Compare with other similar plants. Nicotiana benthamiana is often compared to other species within the Nicotiana genus, such as Nicotiana alata and Nicotiana sylvestris. While Nicotiana alata is known for its fragrant flowers and is commonly used in ornamental gardening, Nicotiana benthamiana is more suited for research due to its genetic versatility. Nicotiana sylvestris, with its tall, branching habit, is more suited for garden settings and can grow quite large compared to the more compact Nicotiana benthamiana. By understanding these key aspects of Nicotiana benthamiana, you can better appreciate its role in both scientific research and horticulture. Whether you're growing it for its research value or just adding a unique plant to your collection, Nicotiana benthamiana offers a wealth of opportunities for exploration and growth.